Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is how you can convert MKV into MP4 fast, quick, faster than that VLC method, just the fastest method I've seen, and you can use it in Premiere. So you can go ahead and make a nice video, upload it to YouTube, get some ad revenue, make $1 million, and then, maybe buy yourself something nice. Okay, so first, we're going to go to XMedia Recode's website. This is the program we're going to use, xmedia-recode.de. Then, let's hover over download. Click on Windows 64-bit. You most likely have a Windows 64-bit operating system. If you don't, what you can do is you can go into your settings, then click on System, then click on About, and here we have the information about our system type, 64-bit. All right, then let's click on download. We're going to have this file downloaded. Go ahead and double click it to start it up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, sign me up. Is that even a question? Of course, take all my rights as well. Come on, I'll sign the waiver. Accept the agreement. Here you can select where you want it installed. Program files is the default and it works well for me. Then we can choose the start menu folder. There we go. Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? Let's go ahead, okay? Ready to install. Let's go ahead and install that bad boy. Ah, that felt good, didn't it? All right, let's launch XMedia Recode. Here we go. This is the program. It's completely free. As you can see, there's no ads, unfortunately, because I love ads. I wish they were over here, maybe put a few over here, maybe make them about how to increase my size. Anyways, let's see what to do from here. We want to change our format. Make this MP4, file extension MP4. It might be something different. So what we can do now is we can click Open File. All right. To add a file or multiple files, you can click Open File. Then just navigate over to where you have the files, and then you can just click one and press open, or you should be able to click or select most of them, all of them, and select open, and there we go. We got a bunch of them here. What we should also do is go into video, and then where it says convert, change that to copy. Same thing for audio, where it says convert, change it to copy. All right, and here you can also change the audio stream. I don't want the Japanese one, so I can switch it to the English one. You can add both if you want, if you have multiple audios. And then you can go into the subtitles. You can add in the subtitles if you have any. And then this video is ready to go. What we can click on now is add to queue. And after we have added to queue, we can actually queue up all of these videos, but I want to go in and edit the audio later. So we have this ready, and it's all we have to do from here is click encode. Now, if you want to save it to a particular location, you can click browse and you can change this, but I'm happy with the default. Let's just press encode. Bam. What was that, 2 seconds? Yeah, sign me up. All right, so now this is the converted file, 586 megabytes. Wow. Now, obviously, I have a supercomputer over here that I'm actually in Google's server room right now. They don't know I'm here, but that's why I was able to do it so fast. For you, maybe it'll take a little longer, but not too long. Okay. But here we have this file. It's playing just fine. It's looking crispy. I can't complain. And then I can go ahead and make some content about edge runners. And all right, so I guess I got to show you. I deleted the old one just so I could bring this new one in. So here is a Premiere project I've been hard at work on. As you can see, it's a very in-depth timeline. So much that I think it's crashing, and we can't see anything right now because it's I guess so much that it's bugging out. But we can just simply drag and drop, and look at this. It imported. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Are we? Are we scrubbing through it? Looks like we are. All right, now we can go ahead and put that down in there. Like it copied over all the different media streams. Looks good too. Looks all right, and we already know it plays. It is a 1080, man. This is a 4K project timeline, so we can set or scale the frame size, whichever works. And bam, there we go. Now we're cooking with fire. All right, guys, enjoy. Make some good content. If you end up becoming a millionaire, maybe throw a dollar or two my way. Actually, I don't even have any way for you to donate, but maybe just mail it to me, the old fashioned way. And all right, thank you guys. Have a good one.